Alright everyone, here's all the trains I caught recently. So let's get into this. So the first train in this video is CNQ107, going from Brampton to Winnipeg. It was led by 3308, an AC44C6M rebuilt-9 with a really also selling P3 horn. It was originally 2570. Trailing second behind that is 3086. And trailing third is 2804. And that has 93 rail cars. Now here is Go 6919 heading north from Trotter to Berry at the walkway crossing Newmarket. It was led by Cab Car 320, which Rangier gave me a wave, and did a shave and a haircut turn show. He even used the emergency horn. And at the end of the train is 663, and that has 10 passenger cars. Now here is Goal 6911, also heading north from Trotter to Berry at the Newmarket GO station. It was fed by cab car 332 with a really awesome horn, and pushing it is F59PH 561, and that has 6 passenger cars. The next train I caught is CN M314, going from Winnipeg to Toronto. It was fed by 5676 with a really weird setting K3H horn. And trailing second is 8924. And that has 89 freight cars and 368 axles. And I wasn't alone when I filmed this because CN Railfanning was also there with me. next train I caught is an unknown southbound intermodal train. I think it came somewhere out of BC and is heading to Montreal. It was fed by 8932, and trailing second is 2276. And that has 178 rail cars. The next and final train in this video is something that you don't see every day, and this comes once a year. This is CN O926. It's a southbound reed spray train. It can go anywhere, but for this trip, it's heading from North Bay to Belleville, and then after that, it will head to Montreal. It was fed by 2556 with a really awesome setting P3 horn, and the conductor gave me a wave. And that has 8 cars. 1 car that sprays the reeds, 5 tankers that are filled with chemicals, and 2 box cars at the end of the train. And oh yeah, 38 axles as well. Well everyone, I really hope you enjoyed all the train spot I caught recently. If you enjoyed it, then please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. That will really help me out a lot. I'm trying to get up to 5,000 subscribers, and when I do hit 5k, I'll be sure to do a Railfanning special. And also go subscribe to CN Railfanning. If you want to check him out, I'll leave a link in the description when I have a chance. Anyways, until my next Railfanning video, I will see you guys later. Peace out folks, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. And that will be it. Bye now. Hey, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this Railfanning video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual. See ya guys!